Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Suppose x, y, z are positive such that the sum equals 3. You are asked to find the maximum value for the following expression, that is, square root of x plus 8 plus square root of y plus 8 plus square root of z plus 8. First of all, we like j to be the expression that we want to find. For those have experience in inequality, we may guess that the extreme value happens when x equals y equals to z. So if x equals y equals to z, in this case equals 1, then j will equal to square root of 1 plus 8 plus square root of 1 plus 8 plus square root of 1 plus 8. That is equals to 9. So we ask ourselves, is j maximum equals 9? This question can be easily solved using Cauchy inequality. We consider 1 plus 1 plus 1 multiplied with x plus 8 plus y plus 8 plus z plus 8. This will greater than equals to square root of x plus 8 plus square root of y plus 8 plus square root of z plus 8 squared. So the left hand side equals 3x plus y plus z plus 24. The left hand side, j squared. Therefore, 3 plus 24 greater than equals to j squared. 3 times 27 is 81. So 81 greater than equals to j squared, and therefore j is less than or equals to 9. We see that j equals to 9 is achievable. So in this case, we conclude that j maximum equals to 9. It is more interesting to solve this problem using AMGM inequality. From AMGM inequality, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 6 x plus 8 greater equals to 2 of square root 3 over 2 times 1 over 6 x plus 8. And this equals to square root of x plus 8. Likewise, 3 over 2, 1 over 6, y plus 8 greater equals to square root of y plus 8. And lastly, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 6, z plus 8 greater than equals to square root of z plus 8. So when you take the sum, for left hand side, it is 9 over 2 plus 1 over 6 x plus y plus z plus 24 greater than equals to j. This means that 9 over 2 plus 1 over 6, 27 greater than equals to j. And the left hand side of the inequality is exactly equals to 9. So j is at most 9. Again, j equals 9 is achievable. So it means that the maximum of j is equals to 9 using AMGM inequality. So this is end of this short lesson. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.